Welcome. Today I'll guide you through the process of finding your blocked list by date on Facebook using your PC. With Facebook's latest update, this is now easier than ever. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile photo. This will open a drop-down menu. Next, select Settings and Privacy from the menu and then click on Activity Log. This is where Facebook organizes all your account activities. On the left-hand side of the Activity Log page, locate the Connections section and click on Friends. From here, scroll down until you see the option labeled Blocked. Click on it to view your list of blocked users. Now, to filter this list by date, look at the top of the page. You'll find a button labeled Date. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to choose a specific time period. Select the range that you want to view, and then click Save Changes. Facebook will now display your blocked list filtered by the selected dates. And that's it. You've successfully accessed and sorted your blocked list by date on Facebook using your PC. If you need to make changes or unblock someone, you can do so directly from this page. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.